Hey, hey, hey. So you're here and you're thinking about becoming an Origami Owl designer. One of the best decisions ever. And you're wondering, how do you make money? Well, stick around to find out. All right, so you're thinking about becoming an Origami Owl designer. And I have to tell you, if you haven't seen my Origami Owl story, make sure you check out that video because it explains a lot about how to become an Origami Owl designer and what's really behind the scenes with the jewelry. Hint, there's a lot. I'm here to tell you today about how to make money as an Origami Owl designer. What does that mean? What does the word join mean? A lot of times you may hear, hey, join Origami Owl Designer. What does that mean? Okay, let's break it down. To join Origami Owl as a designer, that means that you're representing the product. Maybe you're just a kidnapper. Maybe you want to build it as a business. There's lots of variants in between that. But to join it, that means that you have officially become a designer and you are welcoming into your life many, many designer perks. And maybe you're here to make money. That's a huge perk. We have very generous commission structures on our jewelry. So you're wondering, how do I make money with the jewelry? And here's how you do it. There's lots of different ways designers make money with Origami Owl Designer. And the first way is to simply wear and share. That's the easiest. What's so amazing about our product is that you can wear it every day and it's visible to everyone you are in contact with. So it's not a product that is hiding or you're putting it on your face or you know what I mean? It is actually very visible to everyone you come in contact with. That is the beauty of wearing and sharing with Origami Owl. As you wear, you're sharing your story. When people ask you about the jewelry, you have something to share with them, your story inside the locket, and you can also mention, hey, I actually sell this jewelry. It's Origami Owl. You can share one of our amazing catalogs. We have incredible, incredible catalogs. This is a great resource for you. Keep it in your purse, tucked away in your car. That way it's easy for you to share it when someone compliments you on your jewelry. And on the back, there's a great little spot where you can put a little sticker with your information, your name, your phone number, how they can contact you, email address. That goes on the back. So every time you are wearing and sharing, you are spreading news about your new business with Origami Owl. You're a designer. And the best thing is you can wear it and share it every day. And if you're not wearing it and sharing it every day, then that's the biggest thing you're missing out on, right? I mean, if you're not wearing it every day, who's going to see it and who's going to purchase it? As an Origami Owl designer, I highly suggest our designers to wear and share every single day because we have such gorgeous pieces. So that's number one, wear and share. Number two is following in line with our mission, which is to be a force for good. You can do wonderful fundraisers and you can pair up with different organizations. You can even donate some of your profits. It is a great, great way to get involved, get your business name out there, meet new contacts, be a force for good, get behind a cause, and that's another way Origami Owl designers make money. Number two, or that was number two. Number three is online parties. I mean, let's face it, everybody is online. You're online right now, right? While you are online and while your friends and family are online, why not take advantage of that fact that everybody is online all of the time? Why not make money while you are online instead of surfing and scrolling all day? What great way to utilize your social media is to use it for your business. Take advantage of the fact that everybody is online. So you can host online parties. We do fun bingos and you can host them on Facebook. Really simple to do. We have really easy copy and paste party structures for you to simply lift and load parties into groups or events on Facebook. Super easy to do. really, really fun. You can do them online, or you can also do them in person, depending on your climate, depending on current circumstances around the world. You can also do them in person. You can do them in your home. You can do them in your hostess's home. You can even do them in a restaurant. You could go have tacos and margaritas with some gal pals, with 6 girls. You can take a little charm case, share a few things, wear and share with a few gals while you're out having wine with the girls. That's another really fun way. No one has to clean their home. No one has to go to anybody's home. You're out having a wonderful, really fun girls' night. So again, you can, number 3 is parties in home or out and about. You can even do them at the park with all the moms while the kids are playing. You can get really creative with this, or online. The next one you can do to make money is you can host personal shopping appointments. Not everybody wants to host a party, or they've just hosted and they need some gifts. This is really great around holiday time. You can set up a little display and invite people to have personal shopping appointments. You are their personal shopper. You can help them build the most meaningful gifts. One-on-one time really, really helps. It really, people love that. Free parking outside in your driveway, right? Especially during the holiday time, they don't have to beat the traffic and the busy malls. They can come directly to you to a little home shopping appointment that you can really sit down, invest some time, 15 minutes, a half an hour, and really help them build the most meaningful gifts for the holidays. It works really well. And the last one is, of course, boutiques, vendor events, public events in your local communities. Those are really fun to do. Holiday gifting boutiques, Christmas boutiques, those are really excellent, and there's a lot of them, a lot of them. Take a table, take a few display items, of course. Take your calling card and wear and share at public events and help people make meaningful gifts. It's a great way to collect new contacts. You could have a little raffle, have some fun prizes, and collect new contacts for your business. So as you can see, there's actually a lot of ways that you can work your business, and maybe you have one that I haven't suggested, and that's awesome, because with the changing world, everything's changing as we speak. Every day things are changing, and there's fun and new unique ways to work your business. Social media is constantly changing, but I always say social media is not going anywhere. It is here. It is staying, and it is an amazing resource to start your business. If you're wondering if you're on the fence about becoming an Origami Owl designer, there really is no risk involved. Let's talk about that for a second. When you join for you get a kit. You become a designer and you join. You get a kit filled with sample jewelry for you to start wearing and sharing, even if it's to the office, your work day. All of those places that make us women busy, work, all the sports, you're carting your kids around, all of those crazy things that make you busy, that maybe are making you say, I'm too busy for this. I say, no, you're not, because all of those things that make you busy are the perfect places for you to wear and share your business. Truly, you can really double up what you're doing by simply just wearing your jewelry about. It's an amazing way. So you join, you become a designer, you get a wholesale discount. Yes, please, to buy all the jewelry you like. That way you can wear and share. And then you can start sharing with your friends and family. You get a free online boutique. Share that online. Super easy, right? And excuse me. And then you become a designer. It's really easy. You can use it to dabble here and there. You can make $100 a month. You can make $600 a month. You can make $1,000 a month. Whatever is in your wheelhouse, whatever you need, it's here for you. And guess what? You call the shots on your paycheck. If you want to make $100, I can help you make $100. If you want to make $600, we can work out a plan so you make $600 a month. Maybe you need to pay for the dance classes or the skating lessons. Whatever that may be, you can work out a plan to make that happen. Maybe it's just you want to make enough to pay for your Starbucks coffee every day. That's okay too. Whatever you need, it's here for you. Making money, this is kind of what we've just been talking about in this video, is making money with Origami Owl, but there's also a lot of other benefits to becoming a designer. For me, it was the friendships. It was the community. That's the biggest thing. People come for the jewelry, but honestly, they stay for our amazing community, friendships. We cheer each other on every single day. We also have an incredible team page where we cheer you on every day too. So if you would like more information on becoming an Origami Owl designer and making a little extra money and welcoming you into our amazing girl squad, we would love to have you. Have a great day.